The 2011 Sierra 1500. The Sierra 1500 offers a 5-star frontal and side crash test rating and a combination of mechanics and aerodynamics that give it better conventional V8 fuel economy than any competitor. Sierra 1500 now comes standard with a Vortex 6.2-liter and 5.3-liter V8 engine and an electronically controlled 6-speed automatic transmission that combines high max hauling capability with precise control. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, automatic transmission, air conditioning, front, power steering, cruise control, passenger airbag, compass, power windows, remote power door locks, trip computer, daytime running lights, tachometer, tilt steering wheel, heads-up display, privacy glass. This vehicle qualifies for Carfax buyback guarantee. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.